I'm going to walk you through how to bookmark on iPad Safari. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. To bookmark on iPad, you're going to head forward into your Safari. So once you're into your Safari, you're going to open the website you want to bookmark. So once you open it, you're going to click on this download button right up here. So once you click on it, you're going to go ahead and see here where it says app bookmark. So you click on app bookmark, and then you can just go ahead and edit this name right here and put what you want. I'm just gonna put play for night, and I click save. And then now for you to see your bookmark, you're going to go ahead and click at the top right corner right here. You click on here, it says bookmarks. So you click on favorite. As you can see, that's my bookmark right there. And if I want to delete it, I can go ahead and just swipe to the left.